Google search is just dead and it's replaced by many AI tools. But mainly it's replaced by a tool called Perplexity. Perplexity is one of the best AI tool available in the market right now. Perplexity is world's first AI powered search engine with many other amazing features including image generation and deep research. Perplexity offers high-end models from different AI companies in a cost-effective way. That's why it has become the very first choice of many tech geeks. But like other AI tools, Perplexity does have a paid plan. So in today's video, I will show you how you can get Perplexity Pro plan completely free and you can use it unlimited. Well, all this is going to happen in a legal and official way. So stick around till the end so you do not miss any part. Well, I am Ustad from AI Ustad. Let's get started. First of all, open your browser and search AI Ustad. After a few links, you will see our website. Simply open it. If you cannot find it in search, you may directly search it in your browser by typing our domain name aiustad.com. After coming on our website, open this blog post. If you cannot find it here, you may search it here. Simply open it. Now, you can read more about this offer here, that how you can get this offer and how they are providing it. Well, it's a deal between HubSpot and Perplexity where they are offering Perplexity Pro account completely free. After reading this, scroll down and you will see the steps to get Perplexity completely free. Now, in step 1, we need to visit Perplexity AI website. Remember, this is a unique link, so make sure to go to Perplexity website using this link and then click on Get Started. Now, create a free account on Perplexity website using your preferred method. I'm going to continue with Google. Now, as they have asked for the organization name, you may come back and copy the organization ID from here and paste it there. Then check the box and click on continue. Now, well, in this Perplexity plan, you can actually add 50 more people to use Perplexity Pro. So if you have one Perplexity Pro account, actually 50 people can use it. Click on I will do it this later. And now here you need to choose your plan. Click on monthly plan and then click on continue. It will redirect you to the payment page. Now, as we can see here, it says $40. Now come back and copy this promo code. Click on add promotion code and then click on apply. Now as you can see it says $0 and here you can see it's for 3 months and you're actually saving $2000 because many extra bucks were also being given with this promo code. Now here you need to add your payment method. You can simply use any card. They do not deduct any money from your account. But if you do not have any card, you can get many free cards from my WhatsApp channel and you can simply join it by clicking this link and it will redirect you to our channel and there you can see many cards which you can use to get Perplexity Pro account completely free. Now I am going to add one of my card so I can show you how you can use the cards. Now as you can see I have added my card information here. Then you need to click on subscribe. As you can see, the card is valid and they have processed the payment. As you can see, our Pro account is activated. If they ask for payment verification again, simply refresh the page and you will see this Pro badge on your account which says you have successfully activated your Pro subscription. Now you can simply go to Pro Perks and then members, and here you can see 49 unused seats, which means you can add 49 people in your account and all of those people will be using Perplexity Pro completely free. Well, you can use both the methods. You can give them this video, or you can give them Perplexity Pro from your account by adding their email right here. One thing I want to mention here is, please do not sell this method, or do not sell these seeds because you are getting them free. Make sure to provide it to the people completely free. And one last thing, as I said earlier, if you have your credit card, please use that. And if you do not have any credit card, you can simply get free cards from my WhatsApp channel, and you can get WhatsApp channel link from this page. Well, that's it from today's video. If you have enjoyed it, please make sure to drop like. And if you think the content is valuable, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and make sure to follow our WhatsApp channel. The link is below in description, and in comment on our WhatsApp channel. We provide many giveaways and exclusive content. I'm Ustad signing off. Peace out.